Hello everyone, wanted to give you an update on today's severe weather threat, and I've got good news and bad news. The good news is Northwest Indiana not included in the tornado watch that's impacting most of Chicagoland. Most of Chicagoland under that tornado watch until 8 o'clock this evening. We're just missing it in Northwest Indiana. And the good news is I do think the greatest severe weather threat, the greatest chance for tornadoes is in that tornado watch. However, based on the latest high resolution modeling we have coming in, it still looks like it's going to get stormy this evening in Northwest Indiana, and it still looks like there's a chance for some severe storms. Let me show you what I mean. 6 o'clock this afternoon, it still looks like that line of storms is going to be pushing through. It's arriving a little bit later than it was looking like this morning, but still looks like it's going to arrive beginning about 6 o'clock this afternoon for us. And notice, looking like a good chance for some heavy rain and lightning, and still not ruling out some damaging wind gusts, maybe some hail. And I know we're not included in the tornado watch, and I do think it's a very small chance, but I'm still not going to rule out EF0 or EF1 tornado. So let's time this out. 6 o'clock, the chance for storms begins, though we could still see until 6 o'clock still some isolated showers and weak storms, but the main threat begins 6 o'clock this afternoon. Here's 7 o'clock, lots of heavy rain and lightning in the region. Here's 8 o'clock, the storms are still over us, but pushing to the east, mainly focused over LaPorte County at this point. By 9 o'clock, it looks like a line of storms will be clear of us. Now, there's still going to be behind the line another period with scattered showers and maybe still some weak storms. And it'll take maybe about another 3 hours to clear all of that activity out of here. But I do want to stress by 9 o'clock, the severe threat will be over with. And I think all the rain is out of here by midnight, and then we will dry out. So, until 9 o'clock this evening, what are we concerned about? Well, the tornado threat is greater to the west, but still not zero for us. A very small chance that we could still see an EF0 or EF1 tornado, but it is a very small chance. Still a chance for hail. I do think it's low, though. If we're going to see hail, it's probably going to be pea dime-size hail. The chance for quarter-size hail that could actually leave dents in your car, cause roof damage, is low, but I'm not going to completely rule it out just yet. What I'm most concerned about, typically when you see a cluster of storms, a line of storms like that, typically the biggest threat is some strong wind gusts. Now, most likely we'll probably just see wind gusts 40, 50 miles per hour, but can't rule out a couple storms perhaps producing wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Since we haven't seen any heavy rain yet today, not worried about flooding. If you get right under a storm, you could still pick up an inch of rain, but that will not cause flooding. So the big takeaways between 6 and 9 o'clock this evening, try and stay indoors, don't travel. Also, make sure your phone is fully charged. That way, if any warnings are issued, you'll be notified, and also you'll be prepared for any isolated power outage.